Hey, what's up guys, it's Sully here, and today I'm with my friend Mr. Man. And we're playing some Fortnite. This is the first time that I'm making a YouTube video on Fortnite. But Mr. Man will be playing next round, because he has the biggest computer. Anyway, I think I'm gonna head over to... No, not Pleasant Park. There's a lot of people there. Let's head over here. This little spot. This house is good. I can literally see it. I think that's a chest. No, it's not a chest. There's probably something inside. There's probably at least something inside. Let's look around. What? You can talk.
Yeah.
I break houses.
I
wonder what this does. I know. I just like to try.
Oh my god, no weapons at the bottom of the house.
Let's
Is
go
there like
upstairs.
stairs? Go
Yep,
upstairs. And I play
there's a gun.
console, so this is gonna be horrendous, my next
Oh, he
game.
also has iOS. I'm trying to get that to work on my iPad. So I will play some Fortnite iOS.
It's medkit.
Get the med kit.
But first I'd recommend you find a better weapon.
Yeah. Pistol's not gonna cut it, you know.
Just open the door. Oh no, first get the other room. First get the other room.
There's
First
a
get
gun.
the other room before you go upstairs.
There's a gun though. I want a gun.
But you already
I
have
don't
the
have
same
that.
exact gun. You
You're
can
right.
pick up the ammo. At least you already went back there.
I wouldn't. I like breaking things. Take that.
You could just run into it.
Yeah, that's only on iOS.
No, you can run into ammo and it picks it up automatically. Or it might just be console, but
Oh.
yeah, just try running into it.
Yeah. Revolver.
When you get an assault rifle, drop the
Oh, trap.
right.
Damage trap. Pretty sure I'm inside the storm. Yeah. We might need to move soon though.
I recommend you get a pistol or something.
I have a pistol.
Here, can I just take
Look,
control
see?
quick? Can I take control quickly?
No.
Okay.
You get to play all next round, and I won't play. That scared me. I pressed it by accident.
Dude, build up to the top. Go up to the... Oh, you're still missing one room, by the way.
Is it down here?
Yeah, it's down there. Oh, wait, no, second floor. Second floor,
Yeah.
sorry. Second floor, to the right. Did you get it? I don't know. I'm hallucinating.
Pretty sure I've been in here. I've been in all the rooms. This is the room I missed. I don't like doors.
I'm gonna play iOS.
Okay. I do not like doors. Door? What's a door? Alright, let's move. We didn't get many good weapons out of this. I really thought there'd be a chest in there. But let's go away from this. I wish you could drive cars in Fortnite like you could in PUBG and Pleasant Park. It's probably a popular place for people to go, so we'll just stand and look, scope this area out a little bit. Yeah, that door's open.
You need an AR.
Assault rifle. I should use the revolver. Someone definitely went in that house. And someone definitely went in that house because there's no roof on it. There's no. It's like I see something blue up there. 4, 3, 2. Hold on a second. Can you take over for me, Mr. Man, for a second?
I have no clue how to play this. I actually have no clue how to. Oh! Oh no. Oh no. I have no idea. I'm gonna get on top of this house.
I have to turn.
How do you reload?
I don't know.
R, it's R. How come you can't look
Alright,
when
okay,
you
Mr.
run?
Man, can I sit, please? Thanks.
If you find that heavy shotgun, let me take over.
No, sorry. I want to play with you. No,
I don't feel confident.
either no one's been in this house or
I
they
usually
closed the
go
door.
tilted, but I'm probably gonna go somewhere where it's less populated. Probably because I've never played on PC before.
Oh, a gun. Probably.
You already have that.
Yeah, I already have it. Sort of a revolver, I think. My knowledge of Fortnite is not good. Oh, someone's definitely been in here. This house has been ransacked. Who's hit the floor? Yeah. These doors are opened up. Teddy bear. I wish I could whack them with a teddy bear. I'm gonna make this like my little piece. Oh, I see someone. Ah! Where are you? That went well. Anyway, I'm gonna load up another game, and Mr. Man's gonna play. So, yep. And I'll see you then. Alright, we're back, and now, Mr. Man's playing.
So where I'm gonna go. I mean, I really don't know how to play, so I guess fatal. I'm surprised I don't know how to get outside. I don't know how to play. How do you do emotes? E.
I don't know, I never use emotes.
Alrighty. I have no clue how to jump out of the bus. This is bad.
It's the space.
Oh, that's it.
I like that. Oh, and he is right there.
I'm not going big house. What?
Oh, some guys are gonna whack them.
I don't know how to land. Where should I land? I don't think this guy's landing at big house. This guy's not landing at big house. Hold on.
How did you hit me? I hit him like 20 times.
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I am terrible at this game. I'm sorry. I'm sorry who's ever watching for this. Who's ever watching this? Ooh, a pump. That's actually a good weapon.
Well, it was 8.
2.
A chest!
Oh, I wish it gave me...
So, you got an AR though.
I wish it gave me the new shotgun.
Oh, the new shotgun's a heavy shotgun. It's a beast shotgun. Hold on, you get it.
It has increased range.
I think it's good because that's what I said. And we'll be playing.
How come I can't move when you're when
Hey, the thing on the bottom went away, so it should be easier for you.
Oh! Is that a purple tack that I just saw? Oh, It's not a I mean, I'll pick it up because I want to scope. That's
sniper.
The worst sniper in the game.
It's purple.
Yeah, but it's terrible.
It's pretty.
Go out.
Purple's pretty. So purple good.
I'm sorry if I die right away. How do you sprint? Oh, shift, I'm guessing? Yeah, I'm right. Oh! That's not what I wanted to do.
Come on, I have no time to scare myself.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Run,
He's gonna kill me.
Run, Forrest, run.
I actually don't know how to, I'm getting shot from 2 ways.
And that's the end of him.
Yeah, I play console. I don't play that. I'll take it easier.
Alrighty.
You're just in Shrek and then.
Alrighty, we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna play this time. Seen him that. Hey guys, I'm very sorry about this, but I might not be able to record for another full game, so I'm not gonna end the video here, but I'm just letting you guys know that this round will end a little quicker. And if you want to see me win, this video is not the episode to watch. No, I don't even know. Mr. Man is playing Fortnite Mobile. He sent me and he got an invite. He signed up. He sent me an invite, but it's not working on my iPad right now. I'm going to place with better Wi-Fi in a little bit, so try it then. Greasy Grove.
Shotgun.
Whee! Ooh. I got wood. Did you got the new shotgun?
I was close. I thought it was gonna be the last place you want to go find something new.
I thought I heard a chest.
Well, that was my chest.
Oh really? Dang it.
My volume's up over. Oh my god. Bandages go. Oh, give me a slurp.
Guns. Oh, there's a gun shop. Yep, I hear the chest. Yep, I found a chest. Hooray! Oh, I got a purple hand cannon.
Oh, those are good.
Whoa, that's not what I want to do.
I can actually take some.
Chug-a-dug-dug.
Oh, I see someone. Oh, you camper!
Right. Let's go.
It's camper.
I say let's go a lot, by the way. Ooh, the freezer.
Get that out of here.
I got a pump
Get
shotgun.
that out of here.
I hear someone. Someone's here.
No, that's mine.
Oh, really? Oh. I always press that button by accident. Someone's definitely out. No, so that's
Yeah, I
someone.
just found a purple hand cannon.
I have a purple hand cannon. Someone's definitely here. I heard a car alarm go off. I'm gonna go find him and kill him.
Someone just died. Or left the game.
He's right over it. He's shooting. Let's try and find him. You guys probably don't hear that because for some reason I can't. That's a loud gun. Only 30 seconds left.